And breaking news, the DIGU now has submitted details of the settlement deal with Mallya to the DRT. These are details of $75 million that remembers approximately 500 crore that has furnished been before the DRT. Rahul reporting on that story from ET now joins us live on this broadcast. Now, Rahul, how significant is this entire move? Because the ED actually was also looking at the entire source, the method, the entire way this disbursement was made. So what really are the details that you will be able to share with us at this point in time?
Yeah, you're right. Clearly, the settlement deal that DIGO had with Mallya is under scrutiny here at DRT. Today, remember today was the last day for DIGO to furnish those details. It was on March 7th that the DRT had directed DIGO to furnish the nitty-gritties of the deal that it struck with Mallya, which led to his exit from USL, the $75 million deal. In fact, last time the DRT had pulled up DIGO for not submitting those details. Today, DIGO has gone ahead on the last day that it was supposed to submit. They've submitted the details with a compliance memo that they've complied with the order. This is really significant because right from the day one, banks have stuck their claim on the $75 million settlement amount to recover their dues. While DIGO has filed its objection saying that, the amount was given to Vijay Mallya outside the country. They don't owe him any amount as of now. So the question of really attaching or depositing the money at the court does not arise. In fact, the judge today asked DIGO as to why the amount is still not being deposited, to which DIGO counsel replied that they have filed their objections in those regards. As far as the update is concerned, DIGO has bucked it and has now given details. The matter will now come up for final hearing on June 2nd.